Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be making money on this platform. Okay, so this platform is actually a new investment platform, but trust me guys, even if you don't have a dime to invest, you can still be making money on this platform. Okay, so right here you can see I've been able to make up to 2,770 naira right here, and I'm going to be showing you guys a live withdrawal. I withdraw this money and it's going to reflect in my account. Okay, so I'm going to be making a live withdrawal right now. You're going to see everything for yourself. So guys, if you're seeing my video for the first time on YouTube, make sure you hit on that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos on this channel you get notified by YouTube, so you can watch and start making money for yourself. Okay, so guys, like I said earlier, this is actually an investment platform. So if you're investing on this platform, do well to make your research before investing on this platform. Okay, so guys, you can see these are different packages or VIPs they have on this platform. Okay, so if you're investing 1,000 naira, this is what you're going to be making a day. You're going to be making 120 naira per day if you're investing 1,000 naira, and this particular package is going to last for 120 days. Okay, so and if you're investing for 2,000 naira, you're going to be making 300 naira per day, and it's going to last for still 120 days, so you're going to be making 36,000 naira. And right here, if you're investing 3,000 naira, you're going to be making 6,000 per day, and a total of 72,000 in the next 120 days. So right here, if you're investing 6,000 naira, you're going to be making 1,560 per day, and in the next 120 days you're going to be making 187,200 naira. So right there you can see this is a package for 20,000, which you're going to be making 6,000 per day. This is a package for 50,000, which you're going to be making 17,500 per day. Okay, so guys, if you're investing on this platform, make sure you invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, this platform is actually an investment platform, and any investment platform online is actually a risk. Okay, so you have to make your own research and then choose the amount you want to invest. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor, so I can't advise you on the particular package to go for. Okay, but I'm going to be making a live withdrawal right now, so you're going to see everything step by step. Okay, so before going that way, first thing first, if you want to be making a lot of money on this platform, you have to deposit. Okay, so to deposit on this platform, it's actually a very simple thing. Okay, so you just have to select the package you want to go for. Okay, so once you select the package you want to go for, you click on recharge and then you follow the process. Okay, so let's say we're going for the 6,000 naira package. You're just going to click on it. Okay, so right here you can see this is for the 6k package, which you're going to be earning 1,560 per day. I think this is the coolest among all, because within 3 to 5 days you're going to get back all your money. Okay, so right here you can just click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page, which you're going to complete the payment. You're just going to click on this option right here showing buy. Okay, so once you click on buy, it's going to direct you to this page where you're going to complete the payment. They have two payment gateway. You can see gateway 1, you can see gateway 2. Okay, so you have to select the payment gateway you want to complete this payment on. So I'm just going to leave it at gateway 1, and then I'll click on recharge. Okay, so once you click on this option right here showing recharge, it's going to take you to a page where you're going to see the account details you're going to pay this amount of money to. Okay, you can see right here it is loading. So this is where you're going to be directed to. Like you can see right here, this process is actually a very simple process. So what you want to do right now is to check the account name. Right here you can see this is the account name right here. You can see this is the account number. You're just going to copy, and this is the amount you're going to be paying. Okay, you can just scroll down, guys. You can just scroll down and then read through this place to get a perfect guide for you to complete this process. You can see open your bank app and make transfer. Copy the bank account shown above and impute the amount shown above. Enter the remittance bank name, impute the sender name, then submit the payment. You can see once you go to your bank app to complete the payment, you just come back here, put in your bank name, and right here put in the bank you use in completing the payment, and right here you put in your name, which is the sender name. So once you're done with that, you come right here and then click on submit. Okay, so once you click on submit, guys, it's just gonna go through. It's just gonna take few minutes, and then the money is gonna reflect on your dashboard. So once it reflects on your dashboard, you have to come back to your main account. Okay, so once you come back to your main account, you are gonna be earning 1560 per day automatically. Okay, you don't have to log in every day to do any tax or do anything. It's just gonna come up automatically. Once you click on it, you're gonna see right here, it's just gonna take in the, like, if you complete the process right now, it's gonna by this time tomorrow it's gonna complete another process. So every single day or every 24 hours you're gonna be earning 1560. Okay, so that is how the platform works. Okay, so right now I've shown you how to deposit. What I'm going to show you right now is how to withdraw. Okay, how to put in your bank details, how to invite people to join, and you can still make money by doing that as well. Okay, like I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you guys how to withdraw on this platform, and I'm going to be making a live withdrawal also for you guys to see how this website works. Okay, so first thing first, you have to click on this option to set in your withdrawal details. Okay, so once I click on it, it brings me to this page, and right here on this page, what you want to do is to click on this option showing my bank info. Okay, so this is where you put in your bank details. Okay, so once I click on it, it's gonna load. Okay, so right here you can see you have to put in your bank name right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna put in my bank name right here. I'm gonna select the bank I want to receive this money in. So I'm gonna select my UBA bank. Okay, so right here this is UBA, so I'm gonna type in my account number. Okay, so right here, after doing that, you just click on submit. Okay, once you click on submit, it's gonna load, and right here you can see you've successfully bound a bank account. Okay, so right here you can see we have completed that process. And another way you can actually make money on this platform is the referral program. You can make up to 30% of any amount anybody you refer into this platform deposit. Okay, you're gonna make 30% of any amount they deposit. And anybody your the people you invite on this platform, if they should invite anybody and the person makes payment, you're still going to get up to 3% of any amount they invest on the platform. And right here you can see till level 3 you're gonna earn 1%. Okay, so this is how the platform works. And trust me, after investing on this platform, you don't have to do any work. All you just have to do is to log in daily and check your money. Okay, it's gonna be coming up daily automatically. Okay, so after that you just have to wait till it gets up to 1000 naira, and then you can withdraw. 1000 naira is the minimum withdrawal on this platform. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna place a withdrawal right now. So to place a withdrawal, I'm gonna click on this option showing withdraw. So once I click on it, it's gonna take me to another page where I have to put in the amount I want to withdraw. Okay, so click on the option showing withdraw, it's gonna bring you to this page. Okay, so right here you're just gonna click on withdraw now. Okay, you can read through this. You can see please contact customer service for assistance if the withdrawal hasn't arrived within 12 hours after request. Okay, so let's see how long it's gonna take for withdrawal to arrive. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on withdraw now. Okay, so once I click on it, right here they're asking me how much I want to withdraw. So on the platform I have 2770. Okay, so like they said earlier, they don't charge any amount for processing the withdrawal. It's totally free, and the minimum withdrawal is 1000 naira. Once you have up to 1000 naira on this platform, you can actually withdraw. So okay guys, I'm gonna click on withdraw now. Okay, so you can see it is loading. You've placed your withdrawal successfully. Okay, so right here you can see it is showing processing. Okay, so while this is still showing processing, let me quickly show you guys how to sign up on this platform. Okay, so to sign up on this platform is actually easy. Let me quickly log out. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of this video. So once you use the link, guys, you're gonna get a welcome bonus of 200 naira after signing up. Okay, so once you use the link, this is what the sign up page is gonna look like. So what you want to do right now is to put in your phone number right here. Make sure you type in your phone number correctly and type in this number. Whatever number you're seeing on this page, yours might be different from mine. Okay, so you're just gonna type it in right here, and right here you create a password, and here you confirm your password. So after doing that, you just click on register, and you're gonna register successfully. Okay guys, you can see this is actually credit alert. You can see this is a credit alert I just got, and I'm going to show you guys everything. Okay, you can see the drop down. You can see this is credit alert. You can see right here this is 2770 I just received from the platform. Okay, right here it has shown arrived, and I've actually received it. You can see right here, if I should click on this drop down, you can see the credit alert right here. If you check carefully, you're going to see the credit alert. Okay, you can see right here it is showing. Okay, so right here I just made a withdrawal. So guys, if you're investing on this platform, like I said earlier, make sure you invest what you can afford to lose, okay, because this is an investment platform and it's actually a risk. So if you're investing, make sure you invest wisely. Okay, so guys, let me show you the withdrawal proof so you can see for yourself. Okay, I said earlier I'm going to show you guys the withdrawal proof. So right here you can see, you can check, this is the exact amount I withdrew from the platform, which is 2,770. And if you check the description, you're going to see infrastructure limited bot pay transfers. Okay, you can see that right here, and you can see the date and time of everything. Okay, so right here guys, everything is plain. So if you're investing on this platform, it's actually a new platform, so if you're investing, you should do that quickly, because the easy or the quicker you invest on the platform, the better it is for you, so you can actually get back your money and then make some profit. Link in the description of this video so you can get the 200 naira welcome bonus. So right here you can see I have 0 naira right here, and I'm going to have more money here tomorrow once I complete the package I've already opened. Okay, so guys, you're seeing my video for the first time on YouTube, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop new videos on this platform. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.